Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the one you've been looking for. Hard to find. Bunkhouse Class A motorhome. This is a 2012 Georgetown 351. Front and back caps. Ladder to the walkable roof. The Georgetown has a one-piece fiberglass roof. Double slide out. Huge back storage, 50 amp service. Your outside showers over here by your dump station. Big radius door. Plenty of outside storage. Yeah, the 2012 gives you the motorized shade in the front, manual shades on the side, no clumsy curtains to deal with. Leatherette seating. Got a Euro recliner in the living room. Solid surface countertops, glass backsplash, day-night shades. TV's in the back right here. Much easier to see from any spot in the living room. It is a Toshiba. That's the big Dometic. Magic Chef. Nice big Amana oven. Nice pull-out pantry for canned goods. Here's your bunk area. This unit sleeps up to 8. Kids get their own remote control. Thank goodness. Solid doors into the master bedroom. Jensen TV back here. Great storage for mom and dad. 8 drawers. Coat closet for each. On this side, shirt and a coat closet. 3 more drawers and 4 cupboard doors above. And electric on both sides of the bed. You got lights on both sides of the bed. It's a walk around. Well, Dad's side, you're gonna have to crawl in a little bit, Dad. Here's your shades are in great shape. Folks, give us a call. One of our mature, knowledgeable salespeople will pick up the phone. We'll help you walk through your purchase. And beautiful big shower. The nice ones don't last long. Here at Paul Sherry's, you're sure to be a happy customer. And by the way, this unit has 4,500 miles.